HVAC companies that don't have enough reviews, they pay more for their leads. They have to work harder to get them. They never get enough of them. And the crazy part is they don't even realize this invisible tax is there on their business until it's lifted, until they put into place review automation and other strategies to get more reviews, until they outpace their closest competitors. They don't see it, they don't realize it until it's gone. I'll give you a great example. We had a client that was out in Virginia in one of the more rural areas, okay? And so their business, they had, I think it was somewhere in the mid-30s total reviews. Their next closest competitor had 60, 65, something like that. And everybody else was sitting kind of the same. So we started advertising for them early, and we said this exact same thing I'm sharing with you right now, which is we gotta focus on getting more reviews. It's gonna make everything else easier. And so that was the main focus. While we set up a very basic website, we started running some local service ads, we got some traction in place that first year. They focused heavily on reviews. And so in that first year, they got to 380 reviews. Yes, 380 reviews. And they did that all through systems, through training, through some of the recommendations that we make here at Building Blocks Digital. All those things went into place, and the advertising landscape and possibilities for this business transformed. It felt like overnight. Because after getting to 380 reviews, anybody looking for plumbing and HVAC services in that area would look at all the competitors. They had 380 reviews. The next closest one had like 70 or 80 at that point. Who are you going to choose? Of course, you'll choose the company that's top rated with almost 400 reviews, with 5 times the reviews of the next closest competitor. What that did for the advertising was the cost per lead dropped significantly. The number of local service ads they got tripled year over year. Their absolute top impression in that platform quadrupled. 80% of the time an ad was shown for local service ads, they were number one. Those kind of numbers are unheard of, but it's because they completely outpaced their competition and they focused 100% of their energy on getting more reviews. Back then, it was a little bit easier to get reviews. You could run specific review contests. You could sort of, play some edge cases with Google to get more reviews and incentivize, which I would not recommend now because Google is checking and they're asking customers if they were incentivized. So look out, don't do any shady stuff, right? The good news is that the playing field is totally even, right? So you can enter the market now, you can put automation in place, you can make reviews a central part of your marketing strategy. And I guarantee you, it will transform every type of advertising that you do. Because when it comes to word of mouth, people will trust their friends, but they're still going to look you up online. When it comes to advertising on Meta platforms and putting together an offer there, people will see it. They'll still look you up online before they make a decision. You send them some direct mail, they'll get a great offer from you. That's interesting. But what are they going to do next? They're going to look you up online, trust that you're reputable, and then reach out. It doesn't matter. Any of the marketing scenarios, a good percentage of people in this industry, they're scared of getting price gouged. They're scared that you're going to take advantage of them. They're scared that you're going to do the work the right way the first time. They're going to look up your reputation before they reach out to you wanting to do business. So if you don't think that reviews are an important part of your strategy, you're going to get left in the dust. Because right now there's a big shift happening with AI and AI scanning all of the reviews, taking the overall sentiment of what people have said and making very specific recommendations based on what people are typing into things like ChatGPT or Gemini or Claude. It's going to be funny. Years from now, watching this video, some of these platforms may not even exist. It'll be something different entirely. But the point still stands. People are looking at your reputation, and the way they do that is through online reviews. So I have a couple of resources for you. Number one, if you need to just boost the number of reviews that you got in a short period of time, we've got a free download for you in the description below this video. It's called Get Your First 10 Reviews. This can apply to any stage of growth. It's a simple method for you to boost reviews now in a very ethical way. We've got scripts in there, ways to organize the outreach for that and make it super simple. We've had clients execute on this and get 20 to 30 reviews in a single weekend just by following this process. If you want more than that, if you need to set up automation, if you're not sure if your current agency or freelancer is giving you the results that you need, if you're paying for SEO services and nobody's helping you get reviews, If somebody's running your local service ads, but you have no repeatable automated way to get reviews, we need to talk. Use the link in the description below this video to book a call with me or somebody from my team so that we can set you up on the right path forward, help you start getting reviews, and reap the rewards years from now of the hard work that you're putting in today, the system that you're putting in place, and the work that we're about to get started on together. So thanks for watching this video. If you got questions or things like that, put them in the comments below. If you're ready to move forward and figure out new ways to grow your HVAC and plumbing business, reach out to us. We'll walk you through all of it, set up the systems, and take care of the most critical part of all your marketing, which is everything related to search and serving the person who has the emergency problem that you're ready to solve. I look forward to catching you on the next video or chatting with you very soon. Bye for now.
Thanks so much for watching my video. If you like this one, you'll love some of the other videos we have posted here on our channel that help blue-collar business owners get more out of their digital marketing. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, check out the other videos. If you got questions or comments, post them below. I look forward to catching you on the next video. Bye for now.